Hi, this is Greg, Jeff Weiler, GMC. Thanks for tuning in. For any more specifics on what this truck has, both on the chassis and in the body, check out where it's listed on our website. I'll have everything listed there. I'll give you a quick rundown right here in the video. What you're looking at there is a 9-foot airflow. You can see it's got the drop-down sides on it. That is a 12-gauge, 3-panel, 23-inch high tailgate that's on it. Quarter cab shield, they call that. We do have a receiver hitch on the back with the D-rings. We'll show you a couple more things about it here. The quick release lever for the tailgate is designed so when you're pulling it and you open it, you're off to the side, so as that tailgate comes down, you're not standing there in the middle getting hit by all that material that you've got in there. It's off to the side. Again, that's by airflow, and you can see the hook there along with the holes at the top of that cab shield is designed for the optional tarp system if you wanted it. Airflow did a good job here on the side. Release levers, there's one on each end. Again, so when you release that last one, you're off to the side of it. So whatever material is coming out of there, as that side comes down, you're not standing in the middle. Up underneath, that is a double acting electric hoist, meaning it's powered going up and powered going down. That's your 6-inch long sill that runs the length. Your cross members are on 12-inch centers, very rugged there. In the cab, great storage in the door, the lower, the upper pocket. Change goes nicely there. Power locks is standard. Automatic headlights is standard. We did option this with a trailer brake controller. Tilt wheel and cruise is standard. Other things we've got up inside the cab here. This is 4-wheel drive. It is a 6-liter gas motor. Mirror for the passenger so your buddies on the job site can keep their hair straight in between jobs. Sunglasses at the top. This does have the snowplow prep package, so you've got the provision for the roof mounted lamp or beacon. That's this switch here. Doesn't do anything now, but if you had a flasher, some kind of light that you need up on the roof, you've already got wiring and a switch for it, and the wiring's already up here in the roof. This is OnStar equipped. Large size radio is standard with the 7-inch screen. Bluetooth for your phone. Yes, it's got air conditioning. It's kind of hot out here today. We did equip it with the auxiliary switches. Another compartment there. Power plate or power plug in here. And then up underneath, you can't quite see it, is a 110-volt AC power plug-in. Nice storage in the armrest. That's where you got your USB connector to the radio as well as another power outlet. That does fold up for a third passenger. Intermittent wipers. And that's your dash. Thanks for checking us out. That's stock number X20571. You can reach me, Greg, at area code 859-282-2336. Thanks for watching us at Jeff Weiler GMC.